want to share with you today some tips on how to grow your customer base with Avon. So working on the assumption that you've already got some customers, this is how you can go and find some new ones. First one I would say is, once you've shown your Avon book to your existing customers and you've got the orders that you're going to get for this month, instead of popping them into the recycling, prep the brochures up again and pop them through some letterboxes of some houses that you've not done before. You don't need to do a lot. You don't need to take a lot of time. Dropping 10 or 20 books off will take you 5 minutes to do. But if you pick up 1 or 2 new customers each time you do that, you'll be topping up your customer base as you go along. So my motto, recycle in someone else's letterbox. Another tip, think about offering a reward for customers who want to share the book. So it's almost like giving people permission to share their book with other people. Don't ask me why they need permission, but you'd be surprised how much people would like to help you out. One way you can give them permission is by putting more than one customer order slip into the book. Put a little sticker on their order form and let them know that they're okay to share it with other people. You'll be surprised how much they do want to help you out. I've had customers who literally bite my hand off to be able to get me more orders, but only because I've had that conversation with them. So don't be afraid to say, would you like to share the book around? They'll only be too pleased to help, and you can always give them a thank you gift from your little stash of Avon freebies. And the last tip I want to share with you to grow your customer base: never leave home without at least one of these with you, with an order form already prepped up with your contact details on it. You'll be amazed at how many times it pops up in conversation that you do Avon. You might be in the hairdressers, having a little chin wag. Next thing you know, the lady next to you's been earwigging and she says she's not seen a book in ages. You're going to kick yourself if you've not got one of these in your handbag. You might be chatting to a friend and they say to you that they've changed jobs and she no longer gets her Avon from the lady at work. You'll be grateful you've got one in your handbag. So no matter where you are, take a book with you and you will be pleasantly surprised at how many customers you can pick up when they're asking you for a book rather than you needing to offer them a book. Good luck in finding more Avon customers, and if you've got any other tips that you can think of that I've not shared, drop them in the comments for me so that I can do another video incorporating your tip and giving you a shout out.